asking for directions, vocabulary, and phrases. Jack is walking down the street, looking at his phone, confused. Liza is standing nearby. Jack approaches Liza.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the Central Library, but I think I'm lost.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. The Central Library is just a few blocks away. Are you walking or taking public transport?
I'm walking. I thought it was close, but now I'm completely turned around. Google Maps isn't helping much.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. No worries. Just go straight down this road for about 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light. You'll see the library on your right.
So, I walk straight for 2 blocks and then turn left at the light?
Exactly. It's a big building with glass windows. You can't miss it.
Great. Thanks a lot. By the way, is there a coffee shop nearby? I could really use a coffee.
Yes. There's a great cafe right next to the library. It's called Java Corner. They have amazing coffee and snacks.
That sounds perfect. Oh, do they have Wi-Fi? I need to check some emails.
Yes, they do. They have free Wi-Fi, and it's a great place to relax or get some work done.
Awesome. One more thing. Do you know any good bookstores nearby? I love reading, and I'd like to grab a new book while I'm here.
Actually, yes. There's a wonderful bookstore called Bookhaven, just a street behind the library. They have a fantastic collection, from bestsellers to rare finds.
That sounds like a place I'd love. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. And if you're into museums, there's a small art gallery just a few minutes from the bookstore. It's a great spot to explore local artwork.
Wow, that sounds interesting. I didn't know there was so much to do around here.
Yeah, this area has a lot of hidden gems. If you have time, you should also check out Green Park. It's a beautiful place to relax, and there's a small pond with ducks and swans.
That sounds perfect. Maybe after my library visit, I'll head there. Thanks for all the great suggestions.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a fantastic day exploring the area.
You too. Thanks again.
Vocabulary and phrases. 1. Excuse me, a polite way to get someone's attention. 2. Could you help me? A common way to ask for assistance. 3. I'm trying to find, a phrase used when looking for a place. 4. Turn left/right, basic directional instruction. 5. Go straight, used to indicate continuing in a direct path. 6. Traffic light, the signal at intersections controlling the flow of traffic. 7. You can't miss it, a phrase indicating that something is very noticeable. 8. Nearby, close in distance. 9. No worries, a casual way of saying, it's okay or don't worry about it. 10. Hidden gem, a place that is not well known but is very enjoyable or valuable. 11. Wi-Fi, wireless internet connection. 12. Fantastic collection, a great variety of items, commonly books or artworks. 13. Bestsellers, books that are very popular and widely sold. 14. Rare finds, unique and difficult to find items. 15. Relax, to rest and be at ease. Learning points. How to ask for directions. 1. Excuse me, could you help me? 2. I'm trying to find. 3. Is there a nearby? How to give directions. 1. Go straight for 2 blocks. 2. Turn left at the traffic light. 3. You'll see it on your right. Confirming understanding. 1. So, I walk straight and then turn left. 2. It's a big building with glass windows, right? Expanding a conversation naturally. 1. By the way, is there a coffee shop nearby? 2. One more thing, do you know any good bookstores? 3. That sounds interesting. Making recommendations. 1. You should check out. 2. There's a great place called. 3. It's a hidden gem. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful English conversations.